Hello.
Tara, kain. Sir, chocolate. Sir?
There is Snicker, Mars. Wow, I will take a small piece of Mars with coffee. See, this is Turkish coffee. Look, very nice.
Yeah.
Tasty. Really enjoyed.
Long little.
Wow, that's nice with coffee. Thank you. Enough for me.
Yeah.
Today we don't know. She have to finish study.
I want to go. Since 3 weeks I am at home, I don't go anywhere because of exam. Even on Easter, I had exam. Maths exam. You can go. I cannot go.
Where I will go? I cannot go if you are not with me.
You can tell Mama.
Shop.
She will take you.
When you are with me.
After exam, I will play, I will record, I will edit, I will post.
Yes, guys, please support her YouTube channel also.
I have only one video, I have only 14 subscribers.
YouTube channel, but still she did not upload videos because still studying for exam. We can go anywhere, eat food, mukbang. Just comment below what you want to do. Me and Jenny. Mukbang.
Bindi tikka, kebab, like that.
We are not eating too much food from outside, guys. Unhealthy food, fast food. Not that much. Once a month. Do you want more? How many minutes? Fill the. How many subjects more? 3 subjects.
On Sunday,
English.
1 chemistry, English, social.
Chemistry, English. English, chemistry, and social. What's in the message?
We are very bored person.
We are very boring. We are only in the house. Right.
If you like the video, please like. If you want to share it with your friends, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Thank. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Hello guys. Hope you are doing fine and keep yourself safe in this situation. And see if you like this video, like it, write comments and share it and subscribe it so we can give you some more videos and you can enjoy. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.